Hello, my name is Freddy and I'm a plant doctor at Moran Nursery. Wanted to bring you a video today on raised bed composition. You want to start off with raised bed mix, purchase in the largest quantity for the least amount of money to fill the bulk of your raised bed. So after you've put raised bed into your raised bed, you want to add in Harvest Supreme because it's made of 15% chicken manure as well as some other nutrients to give your vegetables a healthy start. You're still going to want to use some other type of organic fertilizer throughout the season, but this is a good starting point. Lastly, you would like to put some compost on top of the bed. That way you can have some nutrients percolating down into the bottom of the raised bed. Compost is very nutrient dense, so as you're watering slowly throughout the season, those nutrients are going to slowly go down into your soil. So for your top layer, you're going to want to mix the Harvest Supreme with the compost for about the top 2 to 3 inches, and then afterwards you can start doing your planting. I would recommend putting some organic fertilizer in the bottom of the hole as well on top. That way you can get some even coverage inside the beds. After your raised bed has been properly filled with the correct type of soil, you can start making your plant choice. Cool time veggies are best around this time of year. Things like Swiss chard, any leafy greens, lettuce, any root type plants are going to do well. You can also do onions, potatoes, things of those sorts. The benefits of having a raised bed versus growing plants in ground is our soil here is very poor. It's very clay heavy, which means it's going to retain a lot of water. It's also going to be very alkaline, which is not ideal for most vegetables. So just being able to have all your vegetables in an area where you can control the pH, you can control the type of nutrients going in there, you're going to have much better results.